Hi everyone, so I got this wig from Hurela Hair. I'm going to just go ahead and style it. This is a body wave highlighted wig. I think it was for, I don't remember what the numbers were, but it was something. I'll show you guys in the description box, but I'm going to go ahead and style this for you guys on camera, and then we'll go ahead and get into the actual review of this wig. I will straighten it first, put some hair oil in it, and then also use a flat iron, or not a flat iron, but a hot comb to flatten the top. So I hope that you guys like this process. The lace doesn't look that bad. I think it's just because, I mean, it looks good in natural light, but this is fluorescent light. So anyways, this is me in the wig, a little highlighted wig that I got from Hurela Hair. This is the box that they went ahead and sent me, and it just comes with, got other goodies, including a headband. We've got wig caps. And I also have this little bag filled with, so I have this other bag over here filled with stuff. Hopefully this lighting is not super harsh on me. This comes with a brush, comes with, basically this is just to gel down your edges and keep it down. I have not used this yet, but it's just an elastic that you can stretch and then you pull it back. And I think it has Velcro on this one. Perfect. So yeah, you just like put it around there, and you can, or however you do it, and then put the Velcro on and have it be seamless. Now, I didn't necessarily need to do it here because I did bleach the knots to this, but you can kind of see the lace a little bit. So I would honestly need to use maybe a lace tint or something. It comes with a little bonnet and also really big lashes. I'm not wearing lashes right now, but I just didn't have the time today. So I'm honestly working a lot more these days, and I'm moving soon. So I'll be making better content in the future. It's just that right now there's not enough space for me to do that. And I only literally have this room. So, but yeah, this is all the stuff that it came in. I actually went in and straightened this hair. It's naturally wavy, and it has a little bit of body to it as well. So let's, okay, yeah, so it says 13x4 TL 412 body wave blonde unit. Yeah, so this is a body wave. I obviously had to go in and straighten it myself. Now the length that I chose, okay, so my camera actually just went off on me, but this is 22 inches So I cut it a little bit shorter, so it's probably just 20 inches now, but the 22 inches didn't go very long towards the end. Yeah, beforehand the unit was super wavy. It has a lot of body to it, from what I can see, but when you go up close, like closer to the lace, I didn't do a bad job on bleaching the knots. I just think it's like right, actually that's just hair, it's just like right here, but I didn't do that bad of a job. I think I could just do better as far as like maybe using glue or something, but the knots itself I think is pretty okay. Like it's not bad. So yeah, I really do like this color in me though. I also used a hot comb and then, you know, made sure everything was really flat. I think I prefer this hair to be straight. I haven't really tried to curl it yet. The density of this unit is 150%, and that honestly makes sense. I don't think it's 180. It does not feel like 180, which is good. I really thick wigs, especially during the summertime, it's a lot for me to deal with. But the price of this wig in a 22 inch, whoa, is only $177.70. So this is a very, very affordable unit, especially since it's 13x4 lace. Usually like T-part wigs are the ones that cost like are this cheap. And also they do Afterpay, Klarna, zip payment, so you can split it into 4 if you really want to save on your unit as well. And you can do what I did. I just went ahead and I bleached the knots for this wig, and I had an elastic band sewn in, and it can give it a pretty natural look, honestly. Like that's how I really like to customize my wigs. I just feel like I could have done the lace just a little bit better, and I don't know why, but this piece of hair keeps on like, oh, I know why. It got a lot of got to be glued on it. So yeah, I wish honestly if I had a nice lace tint, which I probably will get in the future to show you guys how I'm gonna do that, I think my wigs would look more seamless, because what I'm going for is something that really blends in. Right now I can kind of see in the light a little bit of a line. I'm not sure if it's showing that way on camera, but I feel like I could do better. So let me know down in the comment section what lace tint you guys are using, if you use any at home. Anyways, yeah, so the price is going to be $177.70. This is from Hurela Wig, and this is their Body Wave Blonde Highlight Human Hair. Oh, it's not the piano one, by the way. This is just blonde highlights, and it's got like kind of like a dark brown hair color mixed in. So it's pretty cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and take photos for you guys, and yeah, do the rest of this video. I gotta do the intro shots for this, so I hope that you guys liked it. It's a really affordable wig, and maybe if I have time in a different clip, I'll go ahead and curl it and show you guys what this looks like curled instead. Maybe that will be whenever I move into my new place though, because I don't really have time to do that here. All right, so I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day. Be sure to go ahead and check out this wig from Hurela Hair down below. Bye.